Claire does not like it. Now it will go forward and backwards. Well, I can hear it, but I can't see it. I'm just determined to see it. Okay, everyone take note. Let's make a cheese ball, y'all. It's got a nice ring to it. Holy smokes, what? I know, they're rolled. I mean, it is what it is. Well, we got another 7/10 yesterday. So, oh, this is fun, ladies. Yeah, this is fun. Just kidding. Well, there's the new kicks. These are pretty all right, aren't they? Yep. He said, what'd you say about him yesterday? I didn't get to feed.
It'll back up where it used to not go forward. Put tires on.
Now it will go forward and backwards. That's awesome. Woo! Very good. Happy day. They're gonna get a workout in this mud. Well, that was fun. I literally, for real, almost lost my boot. I had to take both hands to get it out of the mud. Oh my gosh, we got another 7/10 yesterday. So that makes about 3 inches in the last, I don't know, 4 or 5 days. Not super good, not really. Oh well, tis mud farming, mud season. We're getting in the thick of it, and it's still December. We have several months to go. He's going to fill the silage wagon. I'm gonna crank the truck up, get the heat going a second, make some phone calls, and get ready to go back at it. But at least the rest of the feeding is basically done from the tractor. So I just have to get out and get some gates. The gates aren't near as bad as the feeding trough areas. Well, we're having drone school. What do you think, Dad? Pretty cool?
Yep.
Yep. Claire does not like it. What is that? It's like a spaceship. I want to get it. I just want to go get it. What do you think? That's us? Mm-hmm. What is that, Clara? I don't know, but I don't like it.
This is the sphere around it.
Oh, what did you do? Oh, look at that. He did this round panoramic. That is so cool. I can't wait to download that. Oh my gosh, y'all. The mail. Y'all are just too kind.
Thank
Hold on. Thank you, Colleen. I need another one of these. I use this every day, but I've never had a real Pampered Chef one. I love it. Thank you so much. And y'all, we just got a haul from Trinidad. This is Trinidad.
At lunch.
This is so sweet. I just read this really sweet letter from you, Rada. Rada, I may have said that incorrectly, but thank you for your very sweet message and this very sweet gift. And you're so pretty. Can I show you? This is Rada. Just a really kind message. Watching us from the West Indies, Trinidad. That's so cool to me. It's the power of YouTube, the power of the interwebs, that we get to share stories in our lives with people all over the world. It just blows me away, and it blows me away even more that y'all take the time to watch and comment and send us things. Really sweet. Thank you. This is fun. What is that?
Pretty good.
What's
Called
it
a
called?
red peach.
A red peach.
Okay.
Is it candy?
No, it's like
Oh,
so sweet.
Oh. Oh,
is
what
it
is that?
fruit?
It's good.
Is it an actual
Yeah.
fruit?
I don't know.
I think.
It just squirted when you put
It
it.
squirted. It did squirt when
I
I
try
did it.
this. Jub jub.
Awesome. We're getting all sorts of things, Sean, to keep us warm. Wesley said this will be good, especially when he goes hunting. Yeah. That'll do it. That'll do the trick. Thank you. Thank you so much for these. And we just got this beautiful sign. Look, y'all. I never seen one like this. God was very pleased with the farmer and the farmer's wife. He wanted to reward their dedication to the farm and each other and teach them the gift of unconditional love. So he blessed them with a family. I love this. Thank you so much to whoever sent this. And there may be a note. I haven't found it yet. But thank you. It's beautiful. It really is. So pretty. Oh, what you got there?
Neck warmer.
Neck warmer. Neck warmers are the ticket right there. Thank y'all. What do you tell them?
Thank you.
Thank you. It's like both.
I found it. Dennis and Helen. Thank y'all. You're so sweet. You're always so sweet to me. I love it so much. Here comes one. Ah, there it goes. Shoot. I just saw 2 pileated woodpeckers. Come here, guys. I want to get them on video so bad, but I know I'm not going to now. They were right here in the backyard. There was 2 of them. They're up there in that tree. There they go. Off into the woods. Let's see. I hear them. They're like big chickens. Where is it? The woods are so alive this morning. The birds are going crazy. Look at the frost. It's a little chilly. I can hear it. I can hear it. I can hear the woodpecker. I just want to get it on video. Do you hear it? I can't see it now, but I mean, it sounds like someone in the woods hammering. Well, I can hear it, but I can't see it. I'm just determined to see it. I want y'all to see it. It's a beautiful frosty morn out here though, in the backyard. The back 40, if you will. We gotta go feed cows. I figured it would move soon though. Morning, ladies. Well, we have partially frozen mud today, so, and by partially, I mean partially, but still, it's a little better than it has been. Yeah, that's good. That's good. It's holding me up. What are you talking about, little buddy? What are you talking about? Oh, yeah. It's a little better today. It's a little better. Supposedly we have more showers coming tomorrow night. The weather is even saying that we might have flurries on Christmas Day, which would be almost unheard of. So that would be kind of fun to see, some flurries. Flurries would be fun. I think it would be awesome for the kids to be able to see snow on Christmas, and for this big kid. Morning, ladies. You hungry? Hey y'all. Okay, I'm back in the kitchen, and this time I want to share with you one of my very favorite recipes to make at Christmas. Now, this can be made anytime during the year. It's just one of those things that my mom made every Christmas, and I find myself making every Christmas at least once, usually twice. It is called, and this is one of my mom's recipes. I've got it in a recipe book, but this is in her handwriting, which is not super amazing. My mother did not have great handwriting. Neither do I. Which is why I can actually read hers. But it's called a pineapple cheese ball. And before you say, ew, gross, you're just gonna have to trust me on this. It is amazing. If you make it, you will be the hit of the party. Everyone will want the recipe. It will be gone. This recipe calls for, it doubles it. So the recipe that I'm gonna list actually makes 2 balls. I'm halving it. I'm cutting it in 2, and I'm only gonna make 1 ball this time. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you just how easy it is. I'm gonna list the ingredients and the directions in the description of the video down below. Yeah. And then I'm gonna also put this on my blog, and I'll link to that as well. So here we go. Let's make a cheese ball, y'all. It's got a nice ring to it. So I've already basically got everything ready to go. I'm going to use 1 package of 8 ounce package of cream cheese that I've softened. I actually put this in a 200-degree oven for like 10 minutes. It got to 200 degrees. I turned it off and left this in there, and it's perfect. We've got 1 tablespoon each of like minced or finely diced green pepper and onion. About 1/8 to 1/4 cup of crushed pineapple, and I put it in this little colander sieve thing to get most of the liquid out, which makes a difference because you don't want a soggy cheese ball. And then I've got crushed pecans, half of this is 1 cup ish. Did I measure it? No, of course not. Half of this will go inside the ball, and the other half will be rolled on the outside. And then you're just going to use a teaspoon of seasoned salt. Oh, and just so you know, the small cutting boards are back in stock. Y'all have been literally wiping me out of cutting boards every time I get them restocked. John has been a madman making cutting boards, and you're amazing. We've both been flabbergasted that the large and the small have sold out now 3 times each. So anyway, really, y'all are amazing, and they're amazing boards. They are. So those are back in the store. The larges are getting low again, but when they run out, we'll get more done after the first of the year. And to everyone who's purchased one of our handmade cutting boards, thank you. I hope you're loving it as much as I love mine. Okay, everyone take note. I am actually measuring a teaspoon. Oh, do you hear that? How about that, y'all? This is a clock that my Aunt Oni gave me years and years ago. And every hour on the hour, it plays a different Christmas carol. And I love it. So anyway, okay. Back to our regularly, how do you say that? Regularly? Why is that so hard to say? Back to what we were doing. Okay, sorry. Got a little sidetracked. All right, there's the seasoned salt. We're gonna dump in the green pepper and the onion. I actually have dishwater. And dump that in there. And about half of the pecans. Okay, now, if you have an aversion to getting your hands dirty, you can mix this all up with like a spoon, a wooden spoon or something, but I prefer to just get my hand in there so it's all married, whatever you want to call it, mixed up. We have had this discussion before, and I never can remember the exact right word for it. But anyway, whatever, we're doing this. We're getting it all mixed up. And then I'm going to form it into a ball, and I'm going to take my other hand and I'm going to like get all this off my fingers and roll it into a ball, and then I'll show you how we coat it. So I just do this right here. And then what I'll end up doing is I'll just end up eating it. It's good, y'all. It's so good, y'all. Okay, I almost went in there and grabbed more. I'm not going to. I'm going to wash my hands now. And then we're going to coat it, chill it, and it'll be ready to eat. Okay, what I have found... I'm sorry, this looks gross. Okay, what I have found works really good is if I put the pecans on a plate and then I just take the ball and roll it around like that. There you go, y'all. That's all there is to it. Isn't that lovely? And there you have a pineapple cheese ball. You can serve this with some of those fancy crackers that you only see in the grocery store around Christmas time. Or you can be extra fancy like me and serve it with Ritz. Yeah, that's what we like. Don't we, girl?
I got a magic trick.
You got a magic trick?
Yes.
Is it YouTube worthy?
Yep.
Okay.
Alright, so
Okay, a magic trick.
light the candle.
Bonnie's,
It's actually science, though.
Bonnie's excited.
Okay.
Okay, science, not magic, science. What are you doing?
Don't touch the candle.
Oh, how'd you do that?
I don't know, some type of science thing.
Some type of science. I did not know it would do that.
I didn't either.
Was this a an accidental discovery?
No, YouTube discovery.
Oh, YouTube discovery. Those silly YouTubers. You could just find anything on there these days, can't you? Okay, I think that's good. Cool, that's cool. It smells good too.
Vanilla.
Sugar, oh, vanilla cone. All right. What do you think, Bon? Yeah, that's nice.